Why our experiences and why the trustee? I live in Thailand quite a long time, and unfortunately, sometimes people ask me to help to solve some kind of the problem. In the future, you will see in the end of our event, you can see the numbers of the scam in Thailand. The numbers, the clear data, that's why we will continue, and I will explain why the trustee. So, the point is, what is it, the trustee? Phuket have a very, very high speed for growing of real estate property. Developer more and more make new projects, and unfortunately, sometimes the developer not finish the project. And it's not good, and it's not good for reputation of the country. That's why we would like to make platform. Platform, it's called Trustee. It's a the Trustee is a platform. For example, the most of the sales happening in the high season. Now is low season. So before investors make decision, they check information in the internet. They check information more detail about developer. They call to friends in the area and asking what's going on. Is it true? Is it fake? For example, you're planning to buy property in Bangkok. What do? You check information in internet and you check information from your friends. So the trustee is the platform for registry, trusted real estate agent, and developer and provider. So it's meaning you can understand when investor invests some money, some amount to country, they check information. And your company can be under the trustee. The most of the people thinking, trustee, it's some word. No, it's a legal verification. It's an online reputation in the internet. Regulation to be under the trustee have some kind of the standard for developers and for ecosystem. So, regulatory and framework for the trustee. Civil and Commercial Court of Thailand. Real Estate Business Act from the law of the king. Also, environment law for ecology, because the most of the project, they don't thinking about future. They just build something and then they think how to solve the problem. So, also DBD regulations, Bank of Thailand directives for Thai Real Estate Association Standard. This year, Thai Association Standard just started because most of the property in Thailand don't have any kind of law regulation. The steps to join the platform trustee registry. Apply documents, so it will be platform in the internet, it will be online platform. We will check the documents. After the checking documents, lawyer company make due diligence. So the due diligence, it's a clear information, and normally this is information from the open sources. Then, after the legal and financial reputation review, go to expert panel, council decision. Marketing team will check information in the public sector, like social media, like online platform, some review, and other things. So if something going wrong, we make, again, it seems like a financial sector. When you have a problem with the credit or with some licensing, you just reapprove to new. We just writing to you, Mark, what's going on, what is wrong, and then we ask you to reload again. Assessment systems, legal compliance. Normally it's three different legal components. And under this legal compliance, the legal company make all topics. Financial transparency, what is it? Credit bureau, check more detail. The most of the developer working in Thailand under the credit line, under the bank, and sometimes the credit line can be workable or sometimes is unworkable. Depends on how many case court have already in the court. Because sometimes, unfortunately, in Phuket have a developer, have a big name and other things, and then have a few courts, and these courts make trouble for the company, for developer in the future. Reputation rating should to be more than 4.5. What is it, reputation rating? It's have a marketing team, under this marketing team searching information online, platform and others. So have a feedback, have a good feedback, have a searching more and more detail. Our idea is make platform with levels, review, and give full information to the investors. Unfortunately, sometimes the people searching information and information can be press scam. Not far from the scam, but it's possible. So, additional users options, it's for investors who planning to invest from outside of Thailand, like a foreigner. They check information, they make searching for expat, have a list for the expat. It should to be some developer have a team who can help with the language service, for support 24 hours, for visa support, for visa help, and multi-languages document like contract. So it can be interesting for the investors. The next thing is for investors, I mean for institutional investors, it's house rental management, have for developer or don't have. Convenient cross-border payment is the biggest problem right now, especially if we're talking about the Russian market and the Belarus market. So the most of the investors, I mean like financial, like institutional investors, they prefer to invest, but they cannot because unfortunately from sanctions have a trouble. So have a flexible packages and many etc. things. For home for buyers, complete projects, clear channel title, or have some arrested title. So also for buyers have some program like 5-year structure guarantee for give back the investment. So red flag, what is it, red flag? Red flag from the financial sector, people know what is it, red flag. When you make any kind of the transaction, you know very well. When you do something wrong, immediately red flag coming, immediately. So the first red flag can be a problem with the DBD registration and document, because sometimes the people start construction without any document under the law of Thailand. Compliance from compliance to the Thai Consumer Protection Board blocking. So it's It's interesting, but this topic need searching more detail and more information. Contract available only for Thai. It's meaning, unfortunately, sometimes have a non-expat friendly tag. When the developers say, farang mayaw gap. So, we planning to make this fair and clear. This is the numbers of the scam from 5 months. Today, 2025. The year is half of the year. This is the numbers from the open sources. This is the numbers from the Thai Police Online. This is the figure of the how many billions run away. From these numbers, 14% is the scam projects. 14 projects, it's a scam under these numbers. The most of the foreigner, they thinking quite serious before they make any kind of transactions, especially have a risk with the block, with the crypto, with the frozen asset, with the unfriendly banking negotiations. So that's why this platform will help to solve this problem. This is our QR code. I highly recommend, again, remember this QR code and using. Okay. Thank you very much for your attention. I very hope you understand me. This topic is a difficult topic. I am so sorry I cannot to speak this topic in Thai language because unfortunately my Thai language is not so perfect, but it's very simple.
Yeah, thank you very
Yeah.
much.